Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to advertise a spare room for rent. All right. As you can see here, I am at spareroom.co.uk. And here what you will do is just go ahead and log in first. Okay, once done, once you're logged in, go ahead and scroll down until you find this section. Post a free ad and let your room in days. Or you can just go ahead and click on post ad right here in these tabs. All right, click on it. And here, as you can see, it says advertise your room. I have one room for rent. If you want to, you can go ahead and click on the drop down and select as many rooms right here. It could be as many as 12. All right. The size of it could be a 2-bed. The type of property, it could be house or flat apartment. Let's say apartment right here. Now there are already 1 occupant in the property, including me or including you. If there aren't, just go ahead and select 0. All right. And the postcode of the property right here. For example, you are from, this one right here, SE158PD. If it says address not found, go ahead and click on my address is listed. All right. Now go ahead and put the street name right here. All right. Let's just go ahead and use this example, Chadwick Road. And then I am a landlord or a live-in landlord. All right. Live-out landlord. For example, as we have stated here, we are not currently in the property. All right, so I'm going to hit live out landlord. All right, hit on continue. Just wait for it. More about your property. You can go ahead and click on the drop down right here for the area. It could be in London, SE15. If you want to change the street name, go ahead and do so. Transport, you can just go ahead and click on the drop downs right here and select. All right, by car, it can be 5 to 10 minutes by car from Queens Road. All right. Living room. Yes, there is a shared living room or no. The amenities right here could be that you have parkings, garden or patio, garage, balcony, and also disabled access. All right. Once that's done, just go ahead and hit on continue to next step. Now here you'll be able to edit the costing. Say, for example, cost of room would be £100 per week. Size of room, double or single. Amenities, ticket room has own toilets and or bath or shower. Tick this one. Furnishing, furnished or unfurnished. Security deposit, if you want to, you can go ahead and add your security deposit right here or the amount of the security deposit. You can check the deposit limits right here. As you can see, just go ahead and pause the video and check it out yourself and just hit on I understand. Minimum stay could be 1 month. Maximum stay would be 3 months. All right. Short term, let's consider. If yes, just tick on it. Days available could be 7 days a week. References required, yes or no. Bills included, some, yes or no. Broadband included, yes, if you have working broadband in that area. All right. Once done, just hit on continue. Smoking, okay. No preference or no. Gender, don't mind. Occupation, pets considered. Minimum age right here could be 18. The maximum age would be 99. Language, English. Couples welcome, yes or no. It's up to you. And other preferences right here, vegetarian or vegan preferred. If not, just go ahead and hit on continue. Right here, the ad title. So you can go ahead and put your title right here, like vacant room. 4-2. All right. Description. We are located like that. We are located at this area. Open 24/7. Contact is provided. You can go ahead and give us a quick call for more details like that. And scroll down. In here, you can go ahead and upload images. It is up to 9 images right here. All right. Say, for example, I wanted to use this room right here, just an example, and another one, this one right here. All right. And then we're just going to wait for it to finish uploading and just scroll down. Your name right here, first and last. If you want to display your last name on ad, go ahead and tick this one. All right. And telephone. If you want to, you can go ahead and put your telephone right here and tick on display with ad. All right. Your email, of course. And once done, just hit on continue to next step. In here, If you want to, you can go ahead and enable these tick boxes right here. First one, you'll receive daily email alerts and instant email alerts. All right, if not, just go ahead and tick both of these and post your ad. Just wait for it. And it says here, your ad is live. If you want to, you can go ahead and share it on your Facebook, WhatsApp, X, or Twitter, or via email. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.